Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to connect Godaddy domain to Squarespace. So let's begin. Okay, from here, all you're gonna do is go to the Squarespace home menu and go to settings and go to domains, all right? Now in here, make sure you have a ready registered domain. And if you haven't had the chance to register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domain sellers, all you're gonna do is click on this option right here. Now, from here, you can get a domain or use a domain you own. Now, if you decided to get a domain, you will be directed to a new page wherein you need to purchase. Search for a domain first, say for example, this one. Godaddy.net, check out, and you are required to put that on your shopping cart and then purchase it for a subscription plan. All right, now, but say for example you already have your domain already, all you're gonna do is click on connect to a third-party domain if you have that option. Okay, now once you have done that, you need to enter your domain. Now type your Godaddy domain in the provided field and click on continue. And sometimes you need to configure DNS settings because Squarespace will provide you with the specific DNS records that you need to add to your Godaddy account. Now, again, from here, we need to switch over to our Godaddy account because by doing so, go to your Godaddy account, go to the upper right corner and click on all products and services. Okay, now if you're still following, you need to go to all in this section wherein you can see domains under all products and services, and you need to click on that. Now once you are here, you need to go to the DNS management or DNS settings section for your domain. And you need to update the DNS records by adding another DNS records provided by Squarespace. This typically include the CNAME and NA records. And once you have done all of that, save changes and go back to your Squarespace account. Now, once you are here on your account, click on Verify Connection, and this may take some time because DNS changes needs to propagate. Squarespace will notify you when the domain connection is verified. And again, all you're gonna do is in the Squarespace, go to Settings, Domains, and click on your Godaddy domain and set that as the primary domain if you have multiple domains. And again, DNS changes might take some time to propagate up to the internet. It takes a little bit like 24 to 48 hours, sometimes not exceeding that. And during this whole period, your website might not be accessible to everyone. And once the DNS propagation is complete, you can visit your domain in a web browser to verify that your Squarespace site is basically live. Now, once the Squarespace site is live, you can always go to Godaddy and Squarespace to have specific help articles or guides for connecting domains. And again, from here, if by any chance you are lost during the whole navigation process, I suggest it's a good thing you go to Squarespace Help Center and connecting a Godaddy domain to your Squarespace site. Read and understand. There's a lot of information that can help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.